Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report. Today is Thursday, June 7th, and we got pretty light news day today, so we'll just jump into it. And primarily for economic news releases scheduled for today, it's just the weekly jobless claims. Last week we had, excuse me, we had a reporting on 389, and we figured it would be about 380-ish range. And it came a little bit lower, so it came in a little bit lower than expectations, which is a good sign, especially when the last couple of weeks we've had about 380. So 370 in the 370 range is a little bit better. Now for the headline news, stock market's up right now, and part of it is they're kind of bracing for some possible stimulus packages like another Operation Twist. As we mentioned, Lockhart yesterday said it's on the table, that they're ready to act. Bernanke just came out and said Fed's ready to act if stresses escalate. He still kept to his guns in regards to economy growing at a very moderate pace this year. And another item to note is the Fed's set to vote on the Basel III, which is kind of after 2010 when we started having the credit meltdown in uh, the international levels of the banking systems got together and basically came to a mutual agreement on requiring banks to have a larger reserve capital assets. Where before it was like around 2%, now they're going to require much more, like around I want to say around 7.5% requirements on there. So in case, so they can weather any possibilities for storms that we had just in the past, for any to withhold any stresses that we just occurred a few years back. So they're about to set on that, see if that goes through or not. And then, so we'll just go over now to the bond market, see what interest rates are doing. We're showing a little improvement. As we saw, we had a downturn yesterday, went down, it bounced off the 10-day moving average, pulled up a little bit. We started the morning up about 9 basis points, so now we're up about 12 basis points for the day. So currently we're up about 21 basis or 22 basis points. So not bad for the day so far. We'll see how we do. We're up against the ceiling, so we'll see if we can break above the ceiling or if we remain in that tight fixture. So as you can see, the 10-day moving average here, and we got this ceiling here. At some point, there's going to be a crunch. It's going to break one way or it's going to break the other way because it's going to be forced to go one way or the other way. So we'll kind of see how things project as time tells. Right now, we don't really have a lot of economic news releases this week. Next week, we do have more. The CPI comes out, consumer sentiment comes out. So we got a lot more economic news releases scheduled for next week. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys tomorrow, Friday. And you guys have a wonderful day. And don't forget to stop by Mike'sDailyMarketReport.com and subscribe and get your free email sent to you.